1965 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod is a perfect blend of classic American muscle and modern performance, offering the best of both worlds for car enthusiasts. This upgraded version of the iconic Fastback maintains its legendary design while integrating modern technology, power, and comfort to enhance the driving experience. Restomods take vintage cars and bring them up to today's standards in terms of reliability, handling, and convenience without compromising their timeless appeal. Under the hood, many Restomod builders replace the original small block V8 with a more powerful and efficient engine, such as the modern Coyote 5.0 LV8 or even a supercharged variant, producing anywhere from 450 to over 700 horsepower. This upgrade provides incredible acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and a more refined power delivery, paired with a 6-speed manual or a modern automatic transmission. This setup makes the Fastback a joy to drive, whether on the track or the open road. Upgraded cooling systems, high-performance exhausts, and fuel injection technology further enhance efficiency and reliability compared to the original carbureted setup. Handling is dramatically improved with modern suspension upgrades, including adjustable coilovers, independent rear suspension, and performance sway bars. These modifications provide better cornering ability and ride comfort, making the car feel more stable and responsive. High-performance disc brakes replace the outdated drum brakes, offering superior stopping power and added safety for high-speed driving. Power steering and electronic stability control are often integrated, making the Mustang much easier to maneuver than its classic counterpart. On the exterior, the 1965 Mustang Fastback Restomod retains its iconic Fastback silhouette, but may feature subtle enhancements like custom LED headlights, modern alloy wheels, and a lowered stance for a more aggressive look. Some builds include lightweight carbon fiber hoods or spoilers for added performance benefits. High-quality paint finishes, chrome accents, and shaved door handles contribute to a sleek and refined appearance. Inside, the cabin is completely reimagined with modern, luxury touches while still preserving the vintage Mustang aesthetic. Premium leather seats with bolstered support, a digital instrument cluster, and a touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity bring the classic Mustang into the 21st century. Custom dashboard layouts with modern controls, high-end audio systems, and integrated navigation ensure a comfortable and high-tech experience for both driver and passengers. A 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod represents the ultimate fusion of nostalgia and innovation, offering the look and feel of a classic muscle car with the performance and comfort of a modern sports car. For more classic car builds, Restomod reviews stay up